Andu matanyiheire 2,600 ni matanyitwo kwamukira marihi kuma kuri thirikari, marihi maria maumanite na tharikira cia nyamu cia githaka.
We're working to see whether we can have an insurance scheme that will compensate our people once any happens to them.
Kuringana na Minista wa UGENDI PENINAH MALONZA, hindi ya gukunguira muthi wa UGENDI kaunti-ini ya Embu ni ati ona gutuika andu aria manahutio ni tharikira icio gukorwo maikarite ihinda iraya matekwamukira marihi, muthia ni mekwamukira marihi, kuona muigana wa ciringi birioni 1.1 nicio igukorwo igikinyaniria mihango iyo.
These are families that lost their beloved ones, that their property was destroyed, that their farms were destroyed by elephants or other animals and hippos, and they are able to get this small amount at this juncture.
Mwena-ini wake gavana wa kaunti ya Embu Ciciribarire augite kaunti yake ni hariirie kwarahura UGENDI na njira iria yagiriire niguo kuguciriria agendi a ikiro ciothe.
In total, Embu County has a bed capacity of 2,500 and about 1,000 of that is within Embu town and its environs. So people need not worry while they'll sleep when they come here.
Kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua mihango ya gukunguira muthi wa UGENDI itongoretio ni gavana wa kaunti ino Kiarie Badirisha uria uruguritie mubango wa kuramata gwakana kugemia githaka kia Boreta mwena wa Olkarau, akiuga njira ino ni iguteithiriria kugitira utonga wa kaunti ino.
The county is working closely with the National Museums of Kenya in the construction of a county museum and preservation of both the Mau Mau and the colonial history, incorporating the Kikuyu cultural heritage and the unique identity of Nyandarua as an epicenter of the freedom struggle.
Kuringana na atongoria mwena uyu, mihango ino yarikirira iguteithiriria kuongerera mieke ya mawira na oho yambatirie muigana wa igoti riria rirogotagwo kaunti-ini ino.
Nyandarua to uhoro wa iria na waru, we are well endowed in tourism from the Aberdare, Lake Olborosat.
Tungetaka nyinyi nyote muwe mukija hapa kujiburudisha. Kuko na picnic site, mnasikia hata kundakuwa na wanyama, na hayo ni mambo yote watu wananchi wetu wakichoka kikazi kama weekends mnakuja hapa kujiburudisha.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.